How to get all past posts from Facebook using n8n. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll learn how to get the full list of your past posts from your Facebook page calendar. This way, you can easily manage and modify past posts without manually opening Meta Business Suite. Here are the nodes you need. One set node, where you will store your Facebook page ID. One HTTP request node set to get, used to retrieve all past posts from Facebook. And one split out node, used to separate the list of past posts into individual items. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This tutorial takes a lot of time and effort to make. Now let's dive in. First node is the trigger node. This runs the workflow when you manually click execute. You can replace this with any trigger depending on your setup. Second node is the set node, named set ID. Here we define our Facebook page ID. You can also make this dynamic if needed using expressions. Third node is the HTTP request node, named get posted posts. Set HTTP as semicolon with 2 forward slashes graph.facebook.com/version 19.0 /. Dynamic expression containing our page ID, which we get from set ID's node, /post ? Set authentication to predefined credential type. Select Facebook Graph API as the credential type. Then choose your Facebook page credential. Make sure send query, headers, and body are all disabled since they are not needed for this request. The final node is the split out node, named split out. In the parameters, set field to split out. Data. Set include to no other fields. This node will take the array of scheduled posts returned from Facebook and split them into individual items. This allows you to process each scheduled post separately in n8n. And that's it. Once you run this workflow, you will be able to fetch all past posts from your Facebook page automatically. No need to manually check Meta Business Suite.
Hey, if you made it all the way to the end, you're actually built different. Seriously, you deserve something for that. So here's the deal. I'm giving you my desktop apps for free. Yeah, these are the same tools I could have easily locked behind a paywall, but nah, I got you. This video took a lot of effort to make, so if you appreciate it, all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed. Check the description below, join our Discord, and claim your apps. And this is just the beginning. I'll be updating these tools based on your suggestions, so you're literally part of building them in our community server. I'll share all the code automation bonus batch scripts to improve your desktop experience. If you're interested in hiring or availing services, we have a ticket section where you can talk with me one-on-one, and we'll see if we're a good fit to work together. There are also tons of things you can do there. You can watch my other content, stay updated on my Roblox game development, and ask questions about automation, coding, and AI with the community. You can also hang out, talk about memes, ads, music, play games like Dank Member, or maybe even find someone special, if you know what I mean. I've put a lot of effort into making this community a place where you can have fun, learn, and share. So, if you appreciate the effort, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more n8n setup tutorials and workflow magic. This is Midknight User. Have a good one.